All right, welcome back everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a little project on the 69 Vette. I'm actually going to be making a harness bar in the back for a 5-point race harness. So I was torn between putting race seats in it or keeping the factory seats. So if you see my blue Corvette, I do have Corvette race seats in there and 4-point harnesses. And I did make years ago a harness bar that goes in the back, bolts to the factory shoulder belt locations, and then the actual harnesses for the 4-point harness system mounts to that. So I'm going to do a similar approach to the 69 Corvette. I decided not to, for the time being, put race seats in it. I do like the look of the original seats in that car. I just wanted to feel a little bit more safer on the road, because when I'm in the 73 Vette and you're strapped in there and you're hitting corners, you're not moving and it feels awesome. So it feels a lot different when I'm in the 69 Vette, because you're kind of swaying back and forth like this, and 69 seatbelt technology just kind of sucks. So I'm going to make a bar that bolts right in the factory location for the shoulder harnesses. So if I decided to take that out, put the original stuff back in, I can do that. And then obviously keep the factory seats and use all the factory mounting locations for the original seat belts and use those for the harnesses. But first I'll show you what I'm going to do, and I'll also show you the 73 Corvette harness bar just to give you an idea, and we'll make that today. All right, so my plan is to unbolt that from there and that harness from over there, and I'm gonna run a piece of 1 5/8 straight across to there and make a bracket that mounts over there. It's very similar to my 73, which I'll show you here in a second, and then I'll be able to mount the harnesses right to the bar that goes right across here. All right, this is inside my 73 here. As you can see, the bolt goes straight down from the harness that was in this car, where on the 69 the bolt goes to the side, like over here on the side of it. So the goal is to use the factory location mounts, just in case I wanted to take that out and put the original stuff back in, but it'll be able to bolt right up, hook the harnesses too, and then take it out if I need to. So I made a rough template here out of cardboard just to give you an idea where this will sit. And I just checked it on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of transfer this over to here and then just cut these out, make 2 of them, bolt them up, and then measure for the actual bar itself. All right, so I have both my mount plates rough cut and I got the holes drilled in it. So I'm gonna mount both of these on the car. I'm gonna bolt them down, and then at that point I'm going to take a measurement in between that and then cut my piece of tubing. All right, so I have that plate bolted in there, and then I have the other one there. So I just took a quick measurement. It's like 35 5/8. So I'm gonna cut the tubing now and then sit it in place to make sure it fits right, and then I can get this thing tacked in place and then resit it in here and check it. So I got it mocked up in here. Just want to show you that. You can see there's plenty of clearance. You can still open up these storage boxes where the battery is. So I'm going to just clean the metal up and then tack it in place and then just fit it one more time, and then we can start welding it. So I got both the side mounts here. I bolted them together, and I'm just going to kind of finish them off and round the edges and stuff like that and bevel them just so they look a lot nicer. So I have my tabs made, and I have everything mocked up to the correct height using some extra metal I had. So I'm gonna just tack this in place real quick and then try it back on the car. All right, so I got it bolted in place there. It actually fits really good. So now I'm gonna take it back out, weld it up, and get some paint on it. All right, so first some self-etching primer and then some red paint. I just got it bolted up, and there's plenty of clearance to open up those boxes there. So the next thing I just got to do is hook the harnesses up. All right, so the hard part's done. I am happy with the way that thing turned out. It looks really nice in there. So next video, we're actually going to install the harness itself. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.